They will define our future. They will shape the world of tomorrow. A digital world, an ever-changing world. Students of today need the solutions of tomorrow. Our students need 21st century skills to succeed in today's global economy. And the architect of this dream is Intel.
For the past 11 years, Intel has demonstrated its commitment to transform education in Pakistan.
With Intel Classmate, the computer moves with the student instead of the student moving to the computer. That is what COW is all about. Viper Technology has partnered with Intel to introduce the computer on wheels in Pakistan. And we have taken the initiative to connect our students to classroom on wheels.
Unique concept, Computer on Wheels, is deployed in more than 450 different schools in Pakistan, public and private, both sectors.
With specifically designed e-learning solutions, innovative tools, and management systems, the Intel Learning Series transforms education into a world of opportunities.
The whole concept is student, rather going to the computer lab, the whole computer lab is coming to the class. That's why we call it classroom on wheels. The main advantage of this computer on wheel is the capital cost. You don't need to invest in large rooms, air conditioning or furniture. The whole lab is built into a one cart. It's lockable, it has its own UPS, single socket charging and a wireless access point, so all the students can be connected to each other without plugging into the electric socket.
Computers on Wheels provides a complete one-to-one solution that makes learning fun and teaching efficient. It's changing the relationship between the students and the teacher.
Our goal is to improve the quality of education, invigorate economic opportunity in the country by ensuring that there is education transformation in the classroom environment.
Core subjects of maths and science are placed in that real context, making the learning process engaging for the student. Students that struggle in these areas are enjoying learning.
Launched in 2007, Intel Classmate PC is offering solution-oriented programs in more than 70 countries. Programs that connect students with the world beyond the classroom. Beacon House School is shaping the tomorrow of the students through Intel Learning Solutions.
With Intel Learning Series Computer on Wheels education solution, we make learning possible anytime, anywhere.
Investing in tomorrow, Intel Classmate PC is redefining the learning environment. It is definitely a comprehensive platform that you can bring to the classroom to empower both students and teachers. Learning has never been so much fun for students. I see a noticeable rise in interest and attendance, says Beacon House School principal.
As I walk around this campus, I find students sitting in stairwells, in classrooms, on the corridors, wanting to use and using technology. They would not be doing this if they did not find their learning fun.
Through the whole concept of Intel Learning Series and Classroom on Wheels, we make learning possible anywhere, anytime. We engage students, empower teachers, and provide information to parents. We create an inspiring and aspiring environment. We are changing the world, one student at a time, and the results are overwhelming. Intel offers the future of learning today.